Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to add dark mode to your WordPress website. Why would you want to know how to add dark mode to your WordPress website? Well, maybe it is your first time using WordPress and not sure how to add dark mode to your WordPress. So today I am going to show you how to add dark mode to your WordPress website. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Adding dark mode to your WordPress website is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for all devices. Let me show how you will add dark mode to your WordPress website. First of all, open WordPress in your Chrome browser, and now here is my WordPress home screen. And then move your mouse cursor to plugins in the left menu and then click on add new. Now in this screen search dark mode and install this plugins. And after few seconds click on activate, and now dark mode has been enabled on your site. So there you go. If you were wondering how to add dark mode to your WordPress website, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.